In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Zoho Books. Zoho Books is an online accounting software that helps you manage your finances, automate business workflows, and work collectively across departments. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for some guidance, this video is here to assist you. Let's start by opening up Zoho Books in your preferred web browser. If you haven't already, type in Zoho Books in your search engine and access their official site. Once you're on the home page, ensure you're logged into your account, or if necessary, create an account to get started. Now let's dive into the settings. On your dashboard, look towards the top corner where you should find the Settings option. Go ahead and give that a click. The Settings area is where you can tailor various aspects of the software to better suit your business needs. It's a pretty handy section where much of the customization magic happens. In the Settings menu, notice there's a search bar handy for quickly finding specific settings without having to scroll through numerous options. We're going to use this to our advantage. Type in Delivery Note into the search bar. Once you've done that, you should see Delivery Note pop up as an item. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the section dedicated to delivery notes, you'll have the opportunity to input any necessary details related to your deliveries. This might include specifics like the delivery name, customer information, or any other relevant remarks you wish to keep track of. The delivery note is essentially a document that accompanies your goods during shipping, detailing the products being delivered. It's crucial for ensuring that deliveries are accurate and complete. Take your time here to fill out the fields carefully. Once you're satisfied everything is accurate and complete, proceed to click the Save button. This action will store all the changes you've made, ensuring that your delivery notes are up to date and accessible whenever needed. And there you have it. Navigating Zoho Books settings and locating specific options like delivery notes can streamline your workflow significantly, allowing for smoother business operations. Don't forget that as your business grows or your processes change, revisiting the settings to update information can be beneficial. Remember, adaptability is key with any software, and the more familiar you become with these tools, the more efficiently you'll find yourself managing your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Feel free to check back for more videos on mastering Zoho Books and other useful software tools in your business journey.